My name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Asana and Notion. The first thing I'm going to focus on are the main advantages and disadvantages both of these tools have. Then I'm going to compare main features, what I like and don't like about them, and then I'm going to talk about the pricing of both of these tools. Now, both of these programs are great. If you're going to choose Notion or if you're going to choose Asana, you're not going to make a mistake. Let me be clear on that. I'm not going to show like this one is much better comparing to this one. I'm just going to give you my personal view on Notion and Asana. And yeah, so let's start. Now, I wouldn't personally use Notion for project management because it's too complex and too hard to understand. And you need to really play around it if you want to start working it effectively. On the other hand, Asana is a wonderful tool for project management, but I wouldn't use it personally for my own project management or my own personal work. So that's like the summary of the video. Now we can go. Let's go deeper. Asana is really simple to use. You can understand it. If you put my 14-year-old sister in front of the computer, she would definitely like understand Asana and she would get lost in Notion. In Asana, you got simple list, you got board, you got timeline, you got calendar, you got dashboard, progress bar, or how like the work is working. Then you can create milestones and just everything focused on project management and finishing tasks and finishing projects. That's it. Now you can also click plus here and add a drop-down menu, numbers, percentage, formats, and everything. The pricing here, tasks here is like super cool, super easy to understand. And yeah, that's like a definition of Asana. Then you can like do automations and integrations, which are also really simple. Now, on the other hand, Notion can be as complex as you can make it complex. It's all about you and your creativity. So when I would click here, I can simply create effective databases. I recommend checking out this guy. I will show you, where is he? Yes,
Hi,
August Bradley, and his complexity is out of my mind. You can create, yes, you can create progress bars, your goals and everything, but still, in my eyes, it's too much work because I'm someone who is focused on effectivity and like I want to have finished things fast and quickly and good. I don't want to play around it too much. So this is what you want is like, what do you actually want? Who you actually are? Are you someone who likes to play around with everything? Notion is a really good choice for you. But if you're someone like me who wants to be effective with the team, I would definitely choose Asana. I'm using right now premium version. And yeah, so even when you get like comments here, you can simply add here, or you can like add a new page. You can click board, lists, calendar, gallery, timeline also, but still, it's too much work, man. It's like, but for me, if you can go also to template, you can see and get a hold of it, like how it actually looks like, right? But if you're gonna have employees and people, they can get lost here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how would I define Notion and Asana. And all about the pricing, let me show you. Pricing, you get to see personal version here, that you can select 0, then personal pro or team. But Asana is also for free on the basic version. And then you're gonna see premium, that's like $10.99 or $40.50, bill monthly. And I have the premium version right now that I'm using. And you're gonna see milestones, timeline, dashboards, which are effective. When you click here, and you can see at least like the analytics of everything. And that's pretty much it. So what I would recommend, and just like my whole summary, use Notion as a productivity tool, maximal with 2-3 people who are also creative. I wouldn't use Notion for project management with 5 people and more. I would definitely use Asana, ClickUp, and Monday.com, Smartsheet, or even Wrike for it, or Teamwork, or Airtable. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. I love making these videos, and I hope you enjoyed it. So have a great day and goodbye. See ya.